Ever turn up the volume on your laptop and get a tinny sound? You're not alone. With advancements over the years, more and more brands are offering slim laptops, which means the speakers aren't powerful. This leaves users with poor audio. And if you are someone experiencing a similar problem, the good news is that there are laptops with great sound. My today's video is about top 5 laptops with best sound that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Apple MacBook Pro M3 Pro laptop. Apple's latest offering, the MacBook Pro equipped with the M3 Pro chip, sets a new benchmark for professionals. It combines great sound with strong computing power. The 6-speaker sound system, including force-canceling woofers, offers an audio experience like high-end external speakers. This makes it perfect for audio professionals and enthusiasts. It includes spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. This feature creates an immersive sound experience for music, movies, and games. Visually, the 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display impresses with sharpness, color accuracy, and high dynamic range. This is ideal for photographers, video editors, and designers who need true-to-life visuals. The M3 Pro chip, with up to a 12-core CPU, handles demanding software and multitasking with ease, preventing performance issues. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 18 hours of video playback. This allows users to work through long flights or all-day workshops without needing a charger. The MacBook Pro also features a robust build quality, with an all-aluminum enclosure that is both sleek and durable. Now our second product is Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop. With its sleek design and high performance, the Razer Blade 15 is also known for its audio excellence. Featuring THX spatial audio, it delivers rich, immersive sound, perfect for gaming and multimedia experiences. The built-in speakers provide clear, powerful audio for games, movies, and music, enhancing your overall entertainment experience. The Blade 15 is powered by a 13800H Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics. This powerful combination ensures that it can easily handle demanding games, professional tasks, and creative projects without any lag or slowdown. Whether you are gaming, editing videos, or running complex software, this laptop provides smooth and efficient performance. The 15-inch QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate offers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. This high-resolution screen ensures vibrant colors and sharp details, making it great for both work and play. Whether you're watching high-definition movies, designing graphics, or engaging in fast-paced gaming, the display delivers an exceptional visual experience. Moreover, the Razer Blade 15 includes an advanced cooling system that prevents overheating during extended gaming or intensive tasks, ensuring consistent performance. The laptop also comes with ample connectivity options, including USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, and HDMI, allowing you to connect multiple peripherals and external devices with ease. Overall, the Razer Blade 15 is a top-tier choice for those seeking a powerful, portable, and aesthetically pleasing laptop that excels in both performance and multimedia capabilities. Whether you are a gamer, a creative professional, or someone who needs a reliable and high-performing laptop for everyday tasks, the Razer Blade 15 is designed to meet and exceed your expectations. A standout feature of the Razer Blade 15 is its ultra-portable design. Despite its powerful internals, the laptop remains light and thin, making it incredibly easy to carry around. The CNC aluminum chassis not only looks sleek and modern but also adds to the laptop's durability. This robust build ensures that the laptop can withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining its elegant appearance. Our third product is Dell XPS 159530. If great sound and performance are your priorities, consider the Dell XPS 159530. Favored by audiophiles and power users, this laptop boasts a quad-speaker design and Waves NX 3D audio technology, providing an immersive and rich sound experience. It's well suited for both media watching and production tasks. The XPS 15 comes with the 13620H Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Arc Graphics A370M. This means it can handle complex and demanding applications smoothly. The 15.6-inch FHD Plus Infinity Edge display provides sharp, vibrant images with minimal bezels, making it great for detailed creative work or watching high-definition content. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 18 hours on a single charge, depending on how you use it. This means you spend less time near an outlet and more time working flexibly. Now number 4, HP Envy 16WQXGA. For creators and multimedia enthusiasts, the HP Envy offers excellent audio and visual features. Its Bang & Olufsen dual speakers deliver clear, crisp sound, enhancing every detail whether you're editing videos, listening to music, or watching movies. The sound quality complements the 16-inch WQXGA touchscreen display, which provides vibrant colors and sharp details with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, making it perfect for creative and technical work. Under the hood, it features a 13700H Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card. This combination ensures the HP Envy can handle demanding tasks, from advanced graphic design to high-end gaming. It also includes robust security features like a fingerprint reader, making it powerful and secure for professional use. The HP Envy is a great choice for professionals who need a laptop with top-notch sound, display quality, and performance, making every task enjoyable and productive. And our last choice is Lenovo ThinkPad E16 laptop. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 stands out for its sturdy build and excellent sound quality, perfect for business professionals. Featuring HD audio with stereo speakers, it ensures clear sound for calls, videos, and music. Although not as powerful as high-end gaming laptops, it offers a solid audio experience for work. The ThinkPad E16 runs on 1335U Intel Core i5 processor, ensuring smooth performance for business tasks and multitasking. The Intel Iris Xe graphics supports most business applications and multimedia tasks well. Its 16-inch Wuxka display offers good clarity and color accuracy, making it ideal for detailed documents and presentations. This laptop stands out with its many connectivity options, including USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, and HDMI, enhancing its versatility for business use. The build quality is durable and ergonomic, typical of the ThinkPad series, and can handle daily use effectively. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.